Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and heavy-duty mud flaps on the front and rear tires. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, we have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt. And then looking at the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your fuel economy, your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco coach, auto start stop status, and your radio station. Then you can also go into your navigation controls, your phone controls, audio controls, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Do also have the ability to look at your truck info, where you can look at your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. And you can look at your towing information as well, and you do have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screens, you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features, such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. With dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, again, your hazards, traction or hill descent assist, and then traction control shut off. Then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector. For normal, tow haul, eco, sport mode, and then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, of all things. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there, and the button up here to open the compartment above your glove box. And moving down from your climate controls, you have this cubby area with a USB, USB-C, and a slot for your phone. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can also be collapsed for more open space here. You have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room in here, and another USB and USB-C. So you can plug something in from there, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.